This video you'll learn how to create an account on Fiverr. See, creating an account on Fiverr is actually very simple, but there are a few things that you need to do in a correct way, because if you become wrong in those things, then it can be bad for you in the long run. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process on how you can create an account on Fiverr. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to visit to the official site of Fiverr. So what I will do is I'll put a link in the description of this YouTube video for this official site of Fiverr. You can click on it or simply visit to fiverr.com, and then you can simply click on this join button. Once you click on that button, you will see this kind of interface. Now first thing, most people will click on continue with Facebook. So this is something that you should not do, okay? Because if in case your Facebook account gets banned, then your Fiverr account will also get banned automatically. So that's why it is not a good idea to use this option, okay? Continue with Facebook. The second option is you can use this continue with Google. This is best, you can use it, but what I would suggest you is you still use your email address, okay, in order to create an account on Fiverr. Now if you just click on this continue with Google, then it will automatically fulfill some information that is inside your Google account. But if you put your email address, then you can manually fill everything in a correct way, okay? Because in Google account maybe some of your information are incorrect and that can harm you in future. So that's why just use your email address. Just put your email address at here and then click on continue. Now you need to choose your username. So before choosing your username, you need to decide what exact service you want to provide on Fiverr. So if you just want to purchase services, that is fine, okay? You can put any username, it can be your name and some numbers. But in case if you want to become a seller in upcoming days, or recently also if you are trying to be seller by joining Fiverr, then one of the important thing that you need to keep in mind is if you are here to become a designer, then you can put your name, for example, Pawan designer, Pawan thumbnail designer. That kind of username you can select, okay? That will help you in future. So always keep that in mind while choosing a username. And creating a password is simple. Here is a proper instruction for creating a password: 8 characters long, combine uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. So it is simple. You can create a password that you can remember. Once you fill this form, then just click on this join button, and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now it's time for you to activate your account, okay? So you have most probably already received an email from Fiverr. So let's check that. So here you can see Fiverr activate your new account. Just click on it and click on activate your account. Now you can see your account is fully activated at this moment. Now you can purchase anything inside Fiverr in an easy way. So this is basically a buyer account. So whenever you create an account on Fiverr, then you are automatically creating a buyer account. Now in my next video, which I'm going to put the link in the description for that video, I'm going to show you how to create a seller account on Fiverr after creating this Fiverr account. I mean Fiverr buyer account. So make sure to create this account, and then in our next video, we'll be creating your seller account so that you can sell your freelance services inside Fiverr. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.